Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Netflix not loading on Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Apps, Settings, select Netflix. Reinstall. Open Netflix and log in to your account. Or delete, search, find Netflix. Install. Open Netflix and log in to your account. If Netflix doesn't work, after that, check your internet connection. Netflix may also be unavailable in your country or your account has been blocked. That's it. Now you know how to fix Netflix not loading on Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.